Stop. Why has every famous person been using this right here? I'm talking about famous celebrities like this using mouth tape or famous athletes like this guy. Apparently they've all been using mouth tape because one, they don't want to look ugly as mouth breathers are known to have a less defined jawline. And two, it's known to increase the sleep you're getting so you're going to get better recovery. One thing everybody does fail to mention is they all have nose strips on now. The nose strips make it so much easier to breathe in the night when you're mouth taping, and this also increases the amount of oxygen that's going to your brain, which means you're going to be using more of your brain power, which is starting to make a lot more sense why they all have more money than me. Now, if that doesn't persuade you to start mouth taping, I literally found a brand here on TikTok that gives you both the mouth tape and the nose strip, and they're literally cheaper than all the other brands here that just give you the mouth tape. If you want to give these a try, I'll put the link to pick them up right here down below. Just hurry up and get them before they sell out again.